Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by installing Corona and the correct plugin for your 3D host. Do that now so versions align. Once done, activate your license through the Corona account or serial number. Make sure internet connectivity is stable. Then update CPU/GPU drivers and confirm hardware. At least 8 GB RAM and an SSD for cache speeds. Finally, restart the host app so the plugin initializes. This avoids missing toolbar buttons or startup errors before you proceed. You now organize the scene, clean imported geometry, apply transforms, and set consistent units so scale-dependent controls behave predictably. Next, assign Corona materials, use bitmaps for albedo, adjust roughness and IOR for realistic reflections. Then set up lighting. Use an H-drive for balanced illumination or Corona sun/sky for directional light. Supplement with area lights for fill where needed. Make sure the Corona physical camera is enabled and exposure is tuned. You finish by selecting interactive for look development or production for final frames, then set max samples or a time cap. Higher samples reduce noise but increase time. Enable the denoiser and output necessary AOVs such as diffuse, specular, and Z-depth. Prefer EXR for multi-pass flexibility. When rendering completes, save your files and document settings. If issues arise, crashes, or missing reflections, check Corona logs. Roll back GPU drivers or disable conflicting plugins. That single troubleshooting step often resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.